Hello everyone and good afternoon. I wanted to bring a quick video here and talk to you about the current market conditions. Over the last couple of days you have noticed that there have been a little bit more whipsaw all over the place in the market, and I wanted to, for example, give you something that I sent out over the last couple of days, actually yesterday on an email, in regards to even last week too. Now that I remember, SONN, I want to show you where it's standing right now, and also something that I sent out yesterday on the email campaign for those of you that have free accounts over traderscolony.com. Before going into SONN, I want to tell you guys that preparation is actually key. As of right now, the current market conditions, things were a little bit crazy over the last couple of months, and you notice that there was a big flush today. Actually, the market at some point dropped 100 points because they're going to be, it seems like restrictions on travel are going to be again put in place, and even they talking about lockdowns again in Europe, right? There is one thing that I wanted to let you guys know, and is that the Traders Colony group and the trading group went exclusive and private. I wanted to invite you to come over if you would like and you're serious about your learning. I have a lot of material to help you, and we're working on group classes and also pre-market movers, after hour movers, to help you start to pack up and unfold the following day, and also give you the pre-market movers. And I don't put the pre-market movers anything that's moving. I try to bring you the premium things that are moving with actually a catalyst, so you can prepare your day in the best way possible. You're gonna have presets on my scanners from Thinkorswim and also TC2000, as well as the layouts from TC2000 and also Thinkorswim. We're working on alerts because I'm putting the trades that I'm looking at, and also swing trade, deep high quality swing trade watch list, and also swing trade open positions and day trade open positions. There's a lot more things that I'm offering, and you can find that in the premium session of traderscolony.com. If you're interested, go check it out. And again, the trading group is now exclusive, and I wanted to you guys to know that and invite you over. It's gonna be a small fee. It's just gonna be $2 a day for you, but if you're serious about your learning, I can guarantee that you are going to learn, and I'm going to be able to take you from A to C. Now, if you're serious about it, go ahead and try it out, and we're all going to be waiting for you, and you're welcome to come by anytime you want. So the market, it's reacting to it a little bit, and we drop about 100 points today. This gain, this name, I apologize, I sent it over yesterday on the emails. You notice right here is racking up very nicely on the daily. I had some news that it got into a contract with the state of Utah, and that they are going to be working with the vaccines and the testing. I apologize, not the vaccines, but the testing of the COVID-19 for the state of Utah, right? And they were awarded this contract of the whole state, and at the same time they got some other news that came out over the weekend, and they were pretty decent news. So when I was actually doing my research last Friday and Saturday, preparing for the upcoming trading week, which started today, this one was one of the names that I liked a lot. And if you notice, the way that it has racked up today was actually pretty decent. We're gonna take it back a little bit. We're gonna scroll back here. Look at how the way that it actually pushed up very nicely since the pre-market hours, and when it started to push up in the first 5-minute candle, getting the volume of the average volume over the 20-day period. I apologize. And here is where it started. We got a low 33.37, and we're gonna open at 33.37 right on the spot right there, and we went over the after hours session to 41.01. If we take the opening of this candle and we go over the after hours, let's just take a look real quick here. We're gonna do like $7 and change here, or the high of this thing, $8.08, which is actually a pretty decent thing. Also sent out on SONN, right, over the last week or so, last Sunday, but the prior one also, when this thing was actually moving in a pretty decent way. It was actually back here when it started to reclaim the $2.52 over the daily. And if you look at right here over the last week, that was last Friday, my alert got hit over the first spike here, and this started to rack up on the first pullback. You know, right here we started to base, and we had a low at 262. I hit the an order right there, and I got filled right on the spot. I put a limit order at 265, and I got filled right on the spot. I don't know why I got filled right there, because I wanted to put a order to get filled over the 265, but at the end of the day I ended up being on a winning position there, because it gave me 3 cents better entry than what I actually was willing to do. But it worked out in a decent way for me, and as of right now I'm still holding it, right? If you notice, today we had a high of $2.94, which was on the pre-market hours right here, but it pulled back and it opened. One thing that is actually a decent thing to do is not to panic when you're holding a position that you're trying to swing and you see how it's pulling back. If you notice right here, it started to come back and retest a 252 resistance that I had right here when it became support and reclaimed this area right here, 255 and 252 at the open of this candle as well. Back here, this was when I printed and I put this trend line for the daily formation. We had a dip right here today, right out of the gates at 252, and it actually came right back up today to reclaim the area on top of the VWAP, but it didn't hold it. It pulled back right here and had a retest of the area. One thing, I kept it open the whole day because I'm looking for a swing here over the areas. I don't know why I don't have the trend lines. It seems like I took them out, but looking for the 350 area, $4, 450, and possibly even $5. There's some people that are expecting this to go back all the way back to $12, $13 mark. I am being a little bit more conservative with that, but there are some people that are expecting this move. Honestly, I don't want to wait, and I'm not looking to buy like a mansion or nothing like that. As I saw some people put in this kind of comments on stock Twitch that my mansion money, I wanted to go in and check out what people are talking about, because this, if volume comes in, this thing is gonna rack up. And I am being a little bit conservative with this, but as of right now, you have to be a little bit careful, and you need a lot of preparation. What I'm doing right now is setting up alerts. Let me try to see if I can bring you the console, and you can see how many I have set, right, to see when they trigger. If you see right here, SONN right here, move below 266. Today I set up another alert and SONN for the higher day move. I can't see it here for some reason. I don't know why it's not letting me, it's not bringing it over. Let's see. Okay, right here, $3.13. I set up another alert at 271 because I wanted to see when he tapped the higher day today, and the higher day today was 271 right here, right? So I set up that alert 271. I wanted to see it come right back up, and as you notice, preparation is key. I have all of these alerts set in place because I want to be ready when the prices hit certain levels that I'm waiting for. I'm not willing to go and just spend a bunch of hours just looking around, doing pretty much nothing. And you know, this is what has to be done as of right now. So in regards to that, I wanted to, and I want to be ready to take the opportunities when they come by, because if you don't, then this market is going to leave you around. There's being a lot of its choppiness all over the place over the last couple of days, and a little bit of follow through, but not as much as we had over the last couple of months. And so right now, it's preparation is key, and that's one of the things that you have to be coming into the market, prepare with your homework done, and be ready to tackle the day with the best ability or the best tools that you have at your disposal, so you're not hanging on the side of the road and everybody eating your lunch, right? So again, I just wanted to bring you this video here today. I hope you had a great week, great weekend, and that you've been doing good over the last couple of days. For now, I'll let you guys go. Happy trading, and I'll see you guys in the next video.